Today in science, we're going to use sweets to make a rainbow. These sweets can be bought in any of your local shops. If you want to spend a little bit more money, you can waste it on Skittles, but these are actually sweets that are very similar that we bought much more cheaply from Aldi or Lidl. They do exactly the same job, so there's no point in wasting any money on getting the more expensive version. But if Skittles is all you can get your hands on, then Skittles will do the job. For this experiment, you're going to need a bowl with a white base. It's really important that the bottom of the bowl is white. It doesn't matter that the rest of the bowl might be a different colour. What we need to do is place the sweets around the edge of the bowl, touching each other with a different colour next to each sweet. I'll do this for you now and you can see what we mean. So we want to repeat this pattern all the way around the edge of the bowl. When you're done, your circle should look a little bit like this. If you want to make your circle symmetrical, then you would have to place the colours in exactly the opposite position to one of the same colour on the other side of the circle. These are a little bit more random and they sort of look like a sweetie bracelet. The next step is to add some warm water to the middle of the bowl. Watch carefully to see what happens in the middle of the circle of sweets. Some special science is going on here. A process called diffusion is taking the dye from the sweets into the centre of the circle. The reason it moves into the centre of the circle is because it's slightly lower down at the middle of a bowl than it is at the outside, and so gravity takes the dye down towards the middle of the bowl. It's slightly heavier than water, and so it moves in this manner, making a lovely pattern that's quite symmetrical and a bit like a rainbow. Have a go yourself at home. Let's see what patterns you can make. Remember, you don't need to buy fancy Skittles. You can get these kind of sweets in the local shop for a lot less money. Tweet us your own rainbow when you have a go at this. See you soon.